Today we'll talk about how can you add about you on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, then you click here on about me here. So then here can you add about you in this list here, you follow this list. So then you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.